Something massive is happening to human work, quietly, rapidly, globally. Tasks that once required hours can now be completed in minutes. Some people already use AI to write content, design graphics, edit videos, generate code, answer customers, and automate entire workflows. Meanwhile, millions of workers are beginning to ask the same question: what happens when AI becomes better at more human tasks? Because for the first time in history, machines are no longer only replacing physical labor, they are beginning to replace cognitive labor too. Welcome to NextNet, Inside the Modern Internet, a documentary-style exploration of how AI, technology, and digital systems are reshaping business, work, human behavior, and modern society. For decades, technology mostly automated physical systems, factories, machines, industrial production. But artificial intelligence introduced something different. Now, software itself can simulate human-like thinking. And suddenly, industries across the internet economy are changing simultaneously. Writers use AI, designers use AI, developers use AI, businesses use AI, students use AI, and every month, the systems become more powerful.
In this episode, we explore why AI is transforming work so quickly, which human skills may become more valuable, and how artificial intelligence could permanently reshape the modern economy. Because this is not simply a technology story, it is a human adaptation story, and humanity is now entering one of the biggest workplace transitions in modern history.
One reason AI spreads so quickly is because it removes friction from digital work. Tasks that once required specialized teams can now be assisted by AI systems instantly. A solo creator can generate scripts faster, a small business can automate support systems, a freelancer can complete projects more efficiently, and many people now begin workdays by opening AI tools before opening anything else. Some workers even rely on AI throughout the entire day, switching constantly between prompts, automation, and digital workflows. Because AI didn't simply improve productivity, it changed the speed expectations of modern work itself. Historically, automation mostly affected physical labor, but AI targets something different: repetitive cognitive tasks, writing basic reports, organizing information, generating drafts, handling repetitive communication. And this creates uncertainty across many industries. Some workers feel excited, others feel anxious, because people are beginning to realize if work becomes predictable, AI may eventually learn to do it faster. And for millions of workers, that realization feels deeply personal. But AI also reveals something important. Not all human value disappears. In fact, some human skills may become even more valuable: creativity, taste, judgment, strategy, leadership, emotional intelligence, original thinking. Because while AI can generate information, humans still shape meaning. And as AI-generated content floods the internet, people who can think deeply, communicate clearly, and create emotionally resonant work may stand out even more. Modern internet builders increasingly treat AI as infrastructure. Creators use AI-assisted workflows, businesses automate operations, developers launch products faster, and many online entrepreneurs combine AI tools, automation, web platforms, and digital marketplaces to scale online systems more efficiently. Because in the modern internet economy, AI is no longer just software. It became part of the business ecosystem itself. What makes this transition emotionally difficult is the speed of change. Some people spent years learning skills, only to suddenly see AI perform similar tasks instantly. Others feel pressure to constantly adapt, to learn faster, to stay relevant. And many workers now quietly wonder, will my role still exist in 5 years? Because AI is not changing one industry at a time. It is spreading across the entire digital economy simultaneously. And psychologically, human society is still trying to catch up. The future of work may not become fully human or fully automated. Instead, it may become hybrid. Humans working alongside intelligent systems, AI handling speed and repetition, humans focusing on creativity, judgment, and meaning. And the people who adapt early may navigate this transition far better than those who ignore it completely. Because the AI revolution is no longer coming. For millions of people across the internet economy, it already arrived.
So now you understand. AI is not simply another digital tool. It represents a fundamental shift in how human work operates. The internet connected the world, but AI is beginning to reshape how the world creates value itself. And while nobody fully knows what the final outcome will look like, one thing is already clear: human work, business, and modern society will not remain the same.
If you want to explore AI, digital society, creator culture, internet psychology, and the systems transforming modern human life, subscribe to NextNet, Inside the Modern Internet, and comment below. Do you think AI will empower humanity or replace too much of what makes humans valuable?
This is NextNet, Inside the Modern Internet, exploring how AI, algorithms, creator systems, and digital technology are reshaping modern civilization. Because the future of work is no longer a distant prediction. It is already unfolding inside the systems humanity now depends on every day. See you in the next episode.